Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get the nice park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a tailgate step as well. Mud flaps on the rear, a nice black dripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated. Mud flaps on the front, a nice black hood deflector, two tow hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, and block heater. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpeted interior. You got floor mats, cup holders, 12-volt, USB-Cs, and 120. And of course, you can lift up the seats for additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. The nice cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, parking brake, lights, spotlights, and auto stop, auto start, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 6.3 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have a leather-wrapped gear select, speed adjusters, and is collapsible. You got storage, cup holders, more storage there, USB, USB-C, the same leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage, and you can lock it as well. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff, four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated and cooled heated front seats with dual climate, 12-volt and 120. Got storage above and below, storage right here. And taking a look above me, we do have a feature for our rear window opener, which is pretty nice. And we got our park assist. Looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities, Bluetooth, AM, FM, all that jazz. Here's your phone. You got your navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. You got your settings right here. And your features of the vehicle, and you do get little widgets on the side here where you can scroll through if it's willing to let me, but yeah, all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD28544, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.